Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in online marketing we will discuss about social media marketing. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing statistics that are available with us, social media marketing strategies, so on and so forth. Let's get started with it. What is social media marketing in the first place? Social media marketing refers to leveraging social media sites to create brand awareness, drive traffic to sites, blogs, landing pages with an objective of generating leads and conversions. There are lot many social media sites are available and there are millions and billions of people who are actually engaging and interacting with each other on social media platforms, and it is actually a huge area where which you can tap to drive your traffic to the website that you have built. This is basically done by engaging, interacting, communicating, creating awareness and increasing the visibility. You are basically leveraging the social media platforms to create a brand identity, drive traffic, leading to conversions to your websites or the landing pages. Social media marketing is all about listening, interacting, communicating and engaging with users. If you think that on Facebook, on Twitter or any other social media sites, you actually go and create a page, list out all the products on that you are selling and inform people, tell people that this is the best product out there in the market and you will benefit a lot, go and buy this product, this will never work. Social media is all about listening. Social media is all about interacting, communicating and engaging with people. Then only you can pitch in your products. First and foremost point is listening. You try to understand who are your customers, what are the customers look for and what are the pain areas, what are the issues, concerns they have or they may not have. Understand what are their requirements. Listening is all about understanding your potential customer requirements and actually trying to find a solution to it, providing a solution to it. That is how actually social media marketing works and it should be implemented that way. What are the statistics, staggering statistics that we have got as far as social media sites are concerned? 1.86 billion active users on Facebook with 1.5 billion people actually logging daily. These statistics are as of February 2017. These are the figures that are available as far as Facebook users are concerned. Twitter 370 million users, daily active are 100 million people. This data is as of November 2016. YouTube, there are 1 billion users. Average time spent by these users is 40 minutes. This data is as of December 2016. The same way Instagram 600 million users, daily active users are 400 million. The same goes for LinkedIn, got 460 million, 67 million users. New members added per second are 2 users. 2 users are added every single second on LinkedIn. Same goes for Pinterest, 150 million users. 85% of them are female and this data is as of November 2016. These data is staggering data. The kind of people who are out there on social media from all around the world, billions and billions and billions of people are engaging, interacting, communicating with individuals, with professionals, with companies, with brands and having lot of information being gathered, analyzed, monitored, so that the more the interaction, the more the traffic, the more the traffic, the more the conversions. And these are the best platforms to increase visibility, create awareness and build brands. What are the strategies that you can think of implementing on social media? Determine your goals. Find out what are your goals. Have a plan in place, have a calendar in place, have a content calendar in place. Determine your goals, what you actually intend to do on social media, on multiple social media sites. It could be traffic, engagement and conversion. These are the 3 key elements. I need traffic to my website, I need engagement with my potential customers and I need to drive conversions. These are the core points every business actually does on social media sites so that they can actually look into more return on investment. Conduct social audit. You need to do a lot of targeted audience scheduling and SWOT analysis before actually you have your presence felt on social media. Do a lot of targeted audience analysis. You need to do a lot of scheduling, how you want to post content, what is the content that you want to post, who are the intended users. You actually need to do a lot of SWOT analysis in terms of the strengths, the weaknesses, what are the opportunities available, and the threat perception that exists on social media. Then you need to work on developing the content strategy. The content is what interacts and engages and communicates with your users on social media. The content is basically the catalyst. The content is basically the bridge between your business and your users. And what you write, how you write, what is the message that you want to convey is everything associated with the kind of content strategy that you build. Content calendar, posts versus goals, then the content engagement. What is the content that you want to write? How you want to post the content, when you want to post the content calendar has to be created. Then you actually create the post and you actually associate those posts with the goals that you want to achieve from the posting that you do on social media. Then comes the engagement, the interaction, communication. Once you post the content, then the users come, they respond to that content, and you actually go on replying to those content, and this is precisely what the engagement, and it is associated with your content strategy. Then you got monitor and track analysis. Once you have got the engagement happening, there are people who are actually engaging with you, then you need to actually analyze and understand that engagement through the analytics, and that is possible through the analysis. You actually need to leverage the analytical information associated with the kind of social media activity that you are doing and what is the engagement level that is happening. You are posting content, whether the content is being reviewed or not, whether the content is being checked out by the users or not, what is the engagement level, how many people are actually coming to your site from social media. The entire information need to be analyzed, and tracking is extremely important and integral part of your social media marketing campaigns. After you track the analytics, and you actually need to find out the reasons with what is happening, why it is happening, and what is not happening. When you get this information, you actually are in a much better position to take informed decisions. These informed decisions will help you in actually analyzing the data and go on doing continuous improvement in terms of user engagement, in terms of the content that you are posting, so that you can drive more and more traffic, leading to more and more conversions. How actually the plan works, the social media plan. You have the listening, the first part, locate customers, focus on targeted customers, identify the influencing factors. This actually is intended to listen to your intended customers, prospective customers, or the users on social media. You actually find out these things, then actually you will be in a much better position to plan with what you want to do. Formulate objectives. What are the objectives that you want to derive out of your social media marketing campaign based on these factors? Then you actually build the roadmap implementation plan. Based on the insight that you develop from this, you actually formulate the objectives, and those objectives have to be a part and parcel of your overall roadmap implementation plan. Focus on building a brand, extremely important. You actually need to create awareness, increase visibility, interact, communicate, engage, drive traffic, and build a brand. Then you have the tools that are associated with tracking and analyzing the engagement. Select appropriate tools, monitor insights, and continuous improvement. You need to actually track each and every engagement that is happening between you and your intended customers, your prospective customers, and the users. When you actually track, monitor, analyze these reports, you actually can take informed decisions based on how you want to go about further. Based on these factors, you can go on doing continuous improvement. And this continuous improvement has to be a continuous and consistent process. Then you got the strategy. What are the strategies that you are building? Set goals, build engagement model, and define the conversion rate optimization. This strategy is extremely important in actually having a plan, executing the plan, analyzing the data that is available. You tweak your strategy, then listen to the customers, then go on planning the next step level of social media marketing engagement. And this is actually how the plan works. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is social media marketing, social media marketing strategies, the strategy that you can build as far as your social media marketing campaigns are concerned, and the plan related to social media. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.